Hola amigos, Hannah from Speak Better Spanish here. Today I'm going to teach you a Spanish expression which is costar un ojo de la cara. So 6 words. Costar meaning to cost, un ojo meaning an eye, de la cara from your face. But it literally, that's what the expression literally means. Figuratively, we use this expression to mean that something was very expensive. In a similar way in English, we might say it cost an arm and a leg. So we could say this if we see something very expensive. For example, mi amigo tiene un carro nuevo. Ese carro le costó un ojo de la cara. My friend has a new car. That car, it was very expensive. So now you have a new expression. You can test it out in the comment section below. Give me an example where you could use that expression. See you guys in the next one. Hasta luego.